creation, magic and passion. Yes, it's name of Magic Kitchen of Krishna. I am playing with ingredient and prepare magical food. So friends, today I am here with a magical sweet of Bengal. Yes, it is narcolen nadu. Darun to? Friends, I am bringing today coconut laddu. It's magic. Subscribe my channel, Magic Kitchen of Krishna, for more videos. So friends, today I am here with coconut laddu. I am going to prepare it with fresh coconut. So check it out, my recipe. So friends, I am using here fresh coconut. I have one coconut and grate it with grater. Add in wok and saute it for 1 minute. Now I am adding here 200 ml milk. And cook it until it comes in dry form. Friends, coconut laddu are loved by Bengalis. I'm adding here 2 to 3 green cardamom and cook until a beautiful smell comes from the mixture. I'm adding here 3/4 cup sugar. You can also add milk maid. Look, it's come in dry form and it's ready. A beautiful golden color. Now let it cool down and prepare laddu. Here my laddu is ready. Now I prepare all of laddus. So friends, coconut laddus are ready. Now I am garnished with almond, pistachio and also cashews. Amazing traditional sweet of Bengal is ready now. Have a look. A beautiful round sweet. So yummy, so delicious, isn't it? So friends, get ready and prepare amazing sweet. family and children will appreciate your creation and these laddus. So friends, check it out my recipe and prepare these laddus. Your friends and family will appreciate you, and I will again come with another dessert or another recipe.